Welcome to Builder Information Systems Video Learning Center. This brief tutorial will provide options for dealing with legacy banking transactions prior to starting your normal bank reconciliation processes. The Bank Reconciliation module allows you to reconcile your GL cash bank accounts against the regularly provided bank statements to assure an ongoing accuracy and to better reflect the availability of funds. If you're starting out new or with a new company within Builder Information System, then you won't have any legacy banking transactions to deal with when starting the bank reconciliation process. However, if you've been running Builder Information System for some time and have just recently acquired the bank reconciliation module, then you probably have legacy banking transactions that need to be dealt with in order to move forward with your current monthly reconciliations. There are two ways this can be done. One method is to utilize the exclude options, which are made available through system-wide parameter settings. The exclude options allow you to select and exclude transactions and optionally hide them as if they do not exist within the bank reconciliation process. The other method is to complete a single mass reconciliation that corrects all the previous transactions prior to starting your current bank process. If you have legacy data, you will want to review these options and determine the best approach for your needs. To enable the exclude options for bank reconciliation, select the System-Wide Parameters link in the white area of the Administrator folder using My Desktop, or go to Administrator and select System-Wide Parameters. At the System-Wide Parameters screen, select the BK tab. Check all the unchecked Enable Exclude Options checkboxes. Save and close System-Wide Parameters. To utilize the exclude function, access the bank reconciliation screen by selecting Bank Reconciliation in the white area of the My Desktop Bank Reconciliation module, or by going to Transactions and selecting Bank Reconciliation. Initiate a bank reconciliation on the main tab by selecting or entering the GL cash bank account and the statement date. This will be the last date of transactions for the banking cycle. To utilize the exclude function for checks, select the Checks tab. Now note the exclude checkbox to the right of each transaction. Simply check the exclude box. Notice that the totals information in the lower portion of the screen is reduced accordingly. When finished selecting the excluded transactions, you may hide them by checking the Hide Excluded Transactions in the upper left area of the tab. Now you may move forward with the bank reconciliation process of clearing transactions on the Check tab. Continue reviewing transactions and utilizing the exclude function where needed on the remaining tabs to complete the bank reconciliation. As mentioned earlier, the other method when starting out with legacy transactions is to complete a single mass reconciliation that corrects all the previous transactions prior to starting your current bank process. Please refer to the additional tutorials covering the bank reconciliation process.